Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Luminas in Expedition 33. Lumina is a consumable resource used to enhance your character's capabilities during combat. This is in the form of Pictos that you can pick up while progressing through the game. First, let me show you how to increase the amount of Luminas we can give to each character. Go back to your camp and find the Curator. You'll eventually unlock the services of the Curator once you progress through the story. So take your time gathering these before then. Interact with him and select Upgrade Expedition Resources. In here, you can upgrade your tints as well as upgrade the luminas of your expedition. There are a lot of colors of lumina that you can collect in the map, so don't worry about being too conservative of it. Once you're done allocating however much you want, let's open up the party menu and select a character. For example, here with Verso, I have about a total of 400 luminas on him. The selection you see here at the left are all of the Pictos. And the number right next to it represents the cost of Lumina to add it as a passive ability to Verso. So pick whichever one you want to add. Don't worry about choosing because you can revoke the Picto whenever you want if you get a better one for your build, giving you a lot of freedom into making your character as broken as possible. And that's how to consume Lumina in Expedition 33.